in the case of the West today, I simply think it is wildly unfair to say that our history is racism, rather than that it has been a part of our history, but it is not the history. We practice colonialism. Now we think that's wrong, but if it's to be a historic revenge for this, then why don't we have historic revenge against the Ottoman Empire, which was one of the largest and most wide-reaching empires in the last 1,000 years? If people agree that slavery is wrong, and of course it was, then why should we look at everything in American society through this lens? Why do we not look at the 18 million people who were stolen from Africa and sold to the Arab countries in the same period as the transatlantic slave trade? And the reason why there's not another generation is because the Arabs castrated all of the men. Why is there no even knowledge of these things? And I think the answer is we are undergoing this strange assault at the same time as there is a total context collapse about history going on in our societies, so that not 1 in a million people knows what the rest of the world was doing, whilst we are telling ourselves that we are the only people who did these bad things.